Replacing the smoke on your face with a smile today will replace illness in your life with happiness tomorrow. Quit now. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary on behalf of Piggood House going to conduct today's morning assembly. World No Tobacco Day is the day for all smokers to commit to end smoking. Healthy lungs and healthy life start by ending smoking. May 31st is a great day to start. Let us support them to succeed. It's time to pray to God for us and for the people around us. So join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, patriotism is a necessity for transforming any nation into a great nation. Pledge reminds us of our responsibilities towards our country. It helps us in reinforcing the sense of patriotism for our country. Let us take a vow with Arpit from class 7th. After pledge, since 1989, World No Tobacco Day is observed on May 31st. Tobacco causes millions of deaths every year. This day's goal is to spread awareness about the risk of tobacco. Let us help people to support in quitting tobacco. And we are moving to the next part of the morning assembly, that is thought of the day. For this, I would like to call Vern from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Vern. Today's thought is, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Means, when we have to complete a task, it is important to plan before starting. It can be difficult to start, but the best action we could take is to simply start. We should remember that plan of action guides us that how to start. Control over the process, commit to yourself and start doing. For example, if there is a person who takes tobacco and he is in touch with us, we can help him in setting goals, in thinking about reducing tobacco each day, each week or fortnight. We can help him in deciding that he is now ready to quit tobacco. On the World No Tobacco Day, let us take decision to help and support the people in quitting tobacco. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Warren, for this thought. Reading newspaper or hear news daily in the morning is beneficial for all. But I'm sure no one could get time for news. But don't worry, to update us about the happenings around us and around the world, here comes Sonika from class 8th. Thank you, Sonika, for today's news update. This day's celebration informs us the dangers of using tobacco, what WHO is doing to fight the tobacco epidemic, and what people around the world can do to claim their right to health. To know more about this day, I would like to call Harmeet to deliver a speech. Thank you, Harmeet, for such valuable informations. A nation is simply an identity of people within it. People together make a nation, and we are proud to be an Indian. Thus, we need to give honor and respect to our nation. So get ready for national anthem and start. And thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.